What if you could publish your first Amazon KDP book this week, without staring at a blank page, without hiring writers, and without spending hundreds on different software? That's exactly what BookFlipper AI claims to do. But here's the real question. Can a £17 AI tool actually help beginners publish books faster, or is this just another shiny AI product making promises it can't keep? Let's break it down. Welcome back to Ethan Cole. Quick disclosure before we begin. If you decide to purchase through the link in the description, I may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. Also, this review is based on the vendor's information, not personal testing. Now let's see what BookFlipper AI actually offers. Most people don't fail with Amazon KDP because publishing is impossible. They fail because the process feels overwhelming. You have to find a niche that actually sells. Research what readers are buying. Write the manuscript. Design a professional cover. Choose keywords. Pick the right categories. Format everything correctly. Then upload it without making mistakes. For experienced publishers, that's a workflow. For beginners, it's usually where they quit. And that's exactly the problem AI software has been trying to solve over the last few years. BookFlipper AI isn't just another AI writer. According to the vendor, it's designed to automate several parts of the Amazon KDP workflow inside one platform. Instead of switching between multiple AI tools, research websites, cover designers, and formatting software, the goal is to keep everything in one place. If that works as advertised, it could save a significant amount of time. But automation alone doesn't guarantee successful books. So let's see what this software actually does. The process is surprisingly straightforward. First, the software searches for book niches that appear to have demand. Then it analyzes those opportunities and generates a report showing potential market gaps. From there, the AI creates a manuscript based on the selected topic. It can also generate a matching cover and prepare your project for Amazon KDP publishing. Sounds convenient. But here's the part most sales pages don't talk about. Can the quality actually compete in today's crowded KDP marketplace? Let's take a closer look. Here's where BookFlipper AI tries to separate itself from a standard AI writing tool. Most AI writers stop after generating text. BookFlipper AI claims to go further by helping with niche discovery, manuscript creation, cover generation, and KDP publishing preparation from one dashboard. For someone starting from scratch, that could mean spending less time learning multiple tools and more time actually publishing. However, it's important to keep realistic expectations. AI can speed up the process, but it doesn't replace human judgment. Editing, fact-checking, and improving readability are still essential if you want readers to leave positive reviews. Can this software actually help you make money on Amazon KDP? The honest answer is, it depends. No AI tool can guarantee book sales. Success on Amazon KDP depends on several factors, including niche selection, book quality, keyword optimization, competition, pricing, and consistent publishing. What BookFlipper AI aims to do is reduce the time it takes to create and organize your books. Whether those books generate income depends on how well you execute the rest of the business. That's an important distinction many sales pages don't emphasize. Based on the vendor's feature list, BookFlipper AI could be worth considering if you're completely new to Amazon KDP. You want an AI-assisted workflow instead of doing everything manually. You struggle with niche research or writing. You want to publish books more efficiently. On the other hand, this may not be the right choice if you're expecting instant passive income or push one button and get rich solution. No software can realistically promise that. Overall, BookFlipper AI looks like an interesting all-in-one tool for people who want to simplify the Amazon KDP publishing process. The biggest value appears to be convenience, bringing research, writing, cover creation, and publishing preparation together in one place. Just remember that AI should be viewed as an assistant, not a replacement for creating books that readers genuinely find useful. If you approach it with realistic expectations, it may help you save time and publish more efficiently. If you'd like to see the latest pricing, bonuses, and everything included with BookFlipper AI, check out the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, give the video a like, subscribe to Ethan Cole, AI Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.